Hi, how are you? Again, I am with you. Don't you remember me? Yes, I am Safira. Okay, hope you all are fine. Yes? Many changes will come. We should accept that. That is Lord Buddha told. Ready to accept change that will be more benefit for you. Okay, so always we want to expect change each and every moment. Life is always changing up and down, up and down. Okay, don't worry that. So, today I am with you for taking a new lesson from the EVS. You know already our subject is EVS. Okay. So, we are going to start a new lesson, rocks and minerals. Okay. What is the lesson name? Rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals. Last year also many times I told you, the heading will give all the details. From this title, all the lesson have one title. Yes. From this title we can understand what we are going to study. Yes. What we are going to study. So here the title is Rocks and Minerals. So what we are going to study? Different types of rocks and yes, minerals. Okay, different types of rocks and minerals. We know where we can see rocks in the earth. We know the earth is made up of soil and rocks. Okay, the earth is made up of soil and rocks. And when we going inside the earth, there are only rocks. Yes, mostly rocks. If you look the rock pieces with a magnifying glass, that we can see a small grains. Yes, yeah, these rocks like a small grains. Yes, these small grains are called minerals. Minerals. Okay. We studied that the earth is made up of rocks and soil. And when however we go deep inside the earth, we can see rocks. And we are looking these rocks with a magnifying glass, we can see a small grains. These grains are called minerals. Okay, and the minerals are building blocks of rocks. Each rock may have one or more minerals in different colors. Okay, that's only about the introduction. Now, my dear children, all the rocks are same? No, different rocks are different size, shape, texture, everything is different. Okay, the rocks on the earth can be divided into three main types of rocks based on how they were formed. Okay, in the earth there were mainly three types of rocks, how they were formed. Okay, first of all, igneous rocks. Igneous rocks. First of all, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, third one is metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. So, based on its formation, how they are formed, the rocks are classified into three types of rocks. Okay, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Okay, so we are going to study first of all igneous rocks. Okay, igneous rocks. I told you there are three types of rocks. Igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. First of all, we are going to discuss about igneous rocks. I told you first time, deep inside the earth we can see only the rocks. My dear children, inside the earth is high temperature. Yes, high temperature. Because of this high temperature, these rocks are melting. Yes, because of the high temperature, these rocks are melting. And an object or a material is melted because of the heat and become a solid. That is called molten material. Okay, molten material. Inside the earth, we can see rocks, and the rocks, because of the high temperature, that rocks are melting. This melting material, because of the heat, and forming a liquid form. Okay, forming a liquid form, that is called molten material. Okay, and this molten material is called magma. Okay. This molten material is called magma, and this magma get pushed upwards towards the surface of the earth. This molten magma will come outside of the earth. Yes, this molten magma coming outside of the earth, after on the surface of the land, it slowly cools down. It slowly cools to form again a solid rock. Okay, again a solid rock. So how the rocks are forming? Inside the earth is very high temperature. Because of this temperature, the rocks are melting. This melting material is called molten materials, and it is also called magma. And this magma come upward towards the earth's surface. From there, it slowly cools to form solid rock again. Such type of rocks are called igneous rocks. Okay, such type of rocks are called igneous rocks. These igneous rocks also called fairy rocks. Fairy rocks. These igneous rocks also called fairy rocks. Okay, and these igneous rocks are different types. First of all, we told in the earth there are different types of rocks. And these igneous rocks also different types. How this magma formed? Based on this formation of this magma, these igneous rocks also different types. Okay, which are them? For example, sometimes this magma cools very slowly. Sometimes it spills out through the cracks in the crust. Okay, it spills out through the cracks in the crust and rushes out from a volcano as a lava. That lava will cool quickly to form a rocks. Yes, this lava cools quickly to form a rocks. Okay, so based on its formation of the magma, igneous rocks also different types. We can check types of igneous rocks. Which are them? Types of igneous rocks. Types of igneous rocks. First one is granite. Granite. How the granite formed? It is formed when magma cools slowly under the surface of the earth. Yes, the magma cools slowly under the surface of the earth. Such a way the granite are formed. Okay, so one of the example for igneous rocks is granite. How it is formed? Molten magma cools slowly on the surface of the earth. Okay, next. It is very hard. My dear children, this granite is very hard and large grains also. Yes, and it is made up of 3 minerals. I told you first time, the rocks, when we are looking with a magnifying glass, we can see a small grains. That grains are called minerals. This granite also made up of 3 types of minerals. Which are they? Feldspar, quartz and mica. Which are the minerals? feldspar, quartz, and mica. Okay, these are the minerals made the granite. Oh, my dear children, this granite color, we want to see its color. Its white color is there, grey color is there, pink color is there, red or black color is there. Isn't it? That depending upon its minerals contain it. Okay, its minerals contain it. Based on its minerals, its color also different. Okay, and mainly for what purpose we are using granite? We all know. Because in our home, floor is made with a granite. Yes. So the granites are using for building and statues also. Okay, building and statues also. So the first example for igneous rocks is granite. Okay, so second one, basalt. Second one, basalt. The second type of igneous rocks is basalt. How the basalt formed? You know, basalt is a fine, grained and glassy igneous rocks. Yes. Basalt is a fine, grained and glassy igneous rocks. It is formed when a volcanic lava cools very fast. Yes. The volcanic lava cools very fast and hardens quickly. Okay, the volcanic lava cools very fast and quickly. Such a way the basalt is formed. Where they are forming? Surface of the earth. Okay, so the basalt is a grained and glassy igneous rocks. When the volcanic lava cools very fast and quickly formed the igneous rocks. Which igneous rocks? Basalt. Okay, on the surface of the earth. Okay, and it's dark colored and that rocks also used for construction. Okay, now again there are two more types of igneous rock. Obsidian. Third one is obsidian. And the fourth one is pumica. Pumica. Okay, so I am going to give you a homework for you. You should find out how the other two rocks are formed. One is obsidian and another one is pumica. So I am concluding today's portion. We discussed about rocks and minerals. We know inside the earth rocks and rocks formed with a small grains called minerals. And there are three kinds of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. There are four types of igneous rocks: granite, basalt, obsidian and pumica. We discussed already how this granite and basalt is formed. And you have to find out after reading the textbook how the other two rocks are formed: obsidian and pumica. Okay, in the next class I will ask you how it is formed. And if you have any doubt, contact me. Okay, thank you, bye-bye.